Okay, so here is the sink to our bathroom coming down, and I believe that is the toilet, and this is our bathtub shower. So it looks like it flows down ABS, and then there's a slope that ties right in to that line right there, which is not underground until you get to the other side of the house. Basically, it looks like underneath the kitchen, and then it goes into the ground. It looks like we could possibly tie in to the end of that, I guess it's 2-inch ABS. So, again, this is what it looks like. Sink, toilet, and flows down. The height of this looks to be about, I would say, 18 inches. Let me confirm that, though. Crawl in there a little bit more. When it comes to the gas line, here's where the gas line comes in, and then it flows. I don't know if you can see this, but it flows all the way to the other side, to our hot water heater. So I don't think that meter, this one, will be difficult to remove. It all depends where the gas line's coming from, but again, just dig it up and possibly put it right around here, maybe, to where it could go.